2015 Panini Contenders football just released today, Wednesday, January 6th, 2016. And it's 24 packs in a box. It's $6 a pack or $128 a box. You get 5 autos per box. And let's take a look at the cards. And like always, all these cards will be available either in the store or on my eBay. Okay. And there are autograph variations, which if you buy some, you can always look at Cardboard Connection. They have a real detailed list of the autograph variations. Oh, just want to look at it's in the base. This is what base looks like. Julian Edelman. And here's a Demarius Thomas pennant. Kind of cool looking. Tons of base here. Jamal Charles. And yes, there are 5 autos in a box. Tony Romo, Tom Brady. And here's your first auto. Green Bay Packer, Jake Ryan. Jake Ryan of the Green Bay Packers. Auto number 1. 1 down, 4 to go. And I believe the autograph variations, and I have to look, he might be one. They start at 200 on up if you go by Cardboard Connection. So make sure you keep an eye on that. Another Brandon Marshall pennant. You got a, there you go, Marcus Mariota pennant. Some guy named Mariota. Who will be the Rookie of the Year this year? Probably Gurley. Here's DeMarco Murray, Eagle pennant. Believe it or not, Winston's up for Rookie of the Year too, probably. There's several good rookies this year. And the next auto, Miami Dolphin, Jordan Phillips. Jordan Phillips. And he's number 200, so I'll have to look on Cardboard Connection myself. Because the variations, it is the actual photo of the player. And it's not much difference, but just a tad. So, here's a Rookie of the Year insert of Duke Johnson, Cleveland Browns. Insert. That pack kind of didn't look right for some reason. Looks like another Packer autograph. This is almost a Packer cheesehead box. And it's numbered Quentin Rollins, 110 of 125. 110 of 125. Quentin Rollins of the Green Bay Packers. So 2 out of 3 autos for Packers. Oh, here's another insert coming up with the Devontae Parker and Rashad Perriman. Sorry, Miami Dolphins, Baltimore Ravens. And this is the, what was it? Round numbers insert. Round numbers. And, oh, this is a cool insert. Barry Sanders, the Contenders insert. All-time rushing leader. Well, if he didn't play only 8 years, he definitely would have been. So we still got 2 more autos. I didn't even see. No, that wouldn't be that one. That was number 126. Cam Newton. Who's going to be the MVP this year? Cam Carson Palmer, or what everyone's saying, Brady, which personally, speaking of Brady, this is Brady pennant. Personally, I think it should be Carson Palmer. Cam Newton, I can see Cam Newton too for MVP. Tennessee Titan. Rookie of the Year autograph. It's 14 of 199. 14 of 199. David Cobb of the Tennessee Titans. So, 2 of the 4 autos were numbered. Nice. Rookie of the Year, Melvin Gordon, who will not win Rookie of the Year. Which I had a very slow start. Of course, Chargers had a very slow season. Dallas Cowboy, La'el Collins, 194 of 199. 194 of 199. La'el Collins of Dallas Cowboys. So 5 autos and 3 of them were numbered. Not a bad box, actually. And here's a new insert. MVP Contenders. Tom Brady. Cool insert. This is the Brady insert box. That was the second different one. Oops. Another auto? This is 6, I believe. Charles Gaines auto. Cleveland Browns. So it says 5 autos, but like usual, you may get more. You may get 6 or more. Like this box. An insert of T.Y. Hilton and Andrew Luck of Touchdown Tandems. Cool insert. And the last pack of the new box here. Well, I can open it. And that's it. And 5 autos per box. In this case, I got 6, and 3 of them were numbered. And that's all for Contenders Football. $128 a box. 24 packs in a box. It's now available at the store. Check out my Kenny's Cards website for group breaks and more, and also my eBay auctions for singles and a lot more. And I'll see you in the shop. Thank you.